let's go ahead and open this. Now I've got this in blue. It's pretty slim. It's got a good metallic feel to it. Let's go and see what else we have in the box. So this is pretty cool. It comes with a clear case as well, which you don't get to see in many other phones. We have the user guide, warranty card. This is the SIM card tray opener. You've got your plug, the USB data cable and charger, and you also have some pretty cool headphones which resemble the Apple AirPods a little bit. And of course you've got your headphone adapter as well, because there's no headphone jack on this phone. And that's pretty much everything in the box. Pretty straightforward. I do like the fact that they give you a clear case as well, which is awesome. So that's a really good plus point from Huawei P20.